How's it going, guys? Welcome back to the channel for a super exciting video. This is something that I've been waiting to do for a really long time. So way back when, like 2 or 3 years ago, I discovered the Odula carbon fiber spoiler. And I had it in my saved parts list online for the last 2 years. Other things came before it. I've been putting it off. And finally, I've got one. So I want to give a big shout out first to Corey. He actually had this spoiler stateside and he sent it over to me and packaged it up and facilitated the deal and everything like that. So his Instagram is right here if you want to go follow him. He has one of the coolest NCs out there right now, really cool parts on it. And I'm really excited to add some cool parts of my own. I'm not gonna make you guys wait too much longer. Here it is. Here's the spoiler. It is all assembled and it's beautiful. Carbon fiber, really nice weave to it. It's very straight, diagonal, whatever. And then we've also got the extended uprights. He included these with them. I think they look really good, so we can swap these out pretty easily if we want to. But for now, we're gonna run them. It's also got the base mounts. Everything is good. You see Odula. And we're gonna throw it on the NC Miata in this video. So this spoiler is trunk mounted, so it's not gonna give you like some crazy aerodynamics like a chassis mounted spoiler would. It's just going straight into the rear deck lid or trunk or whatever. It's just one of those things. I think it's gonna look so good with the carbon fiber hardtop and the carbon fiber mirrors. I was never like a huge carbon fiber guy, but after I started adding a few things, I don't know, I guess I gravitated towards it a little bit. I feel like this is the piece that is going to be my 3 carbon fiber things, and it's really just gonna make it look so good. So he included some notes and instructions. Also, super cool that he has magnets and stickers and things like that. Very cool. And then these are the Odula uprights that come with it. You know, they just bolt in. So if we wanna replace them, they're a little bit lower. They look cool. You know, we'll test it out eventually, but for now, we're sticking with the extended ones. So what we're gonna do first is put some tape down on the trunk so we can measure everything, line it up, mark our holes to be drilled, drill them out, bolt it in, and then we'll be on our way. So hope you guys are excited. I know I am, and then let's just get started. All right, spoiler is kind of mounted. We've just got one bolt in the front and one in the other side. But oh man, that is incredibly aggressive. But I think it looks absolutely wild with the whole car. I'm super stoked on that. It looks so cool. Just so aggressive. This is like one of my dream spoilers for this car, and I'm just so stoked to finally have it. It's nice and tall. We can lower it down like I said, but otherwise, here's kind of what it looks like. The roof sits a tiny bit higher, not towards the back, but kind of towards the front. So you know, I'm not going for functionality here. I just wanted this. I wanted it to look like this, and I am absolutely stoked. That looks so cool. All right, I'm gonna finish bolting it up. Wow, wow, wow. This is absolutely amazing. I love it so much. I know it's not gonna be for everyone, but this car is wild enough to where the big spoiler just fits well. And I am so stoked. I think it looks really great. I mean, I normally ask you guys to leave a comment, but I think I'm commenting myself here. I love it. It's staying forever. There's just not a great way for me to like portray words right now, because this is just, like I said at the beginning, it's been one of those spoilers, one of those car parts that I have lusted after, and to finally have it, it just is so awesome. I'm so stoked. So let me know what you guys think. Leave a comment saying how awesome it is. Like I said, it's not gonna be for everyone. I'm cool with it. If you don't like it, then, you know, whatever, I don't care. I love the way the car looks. It looks so aggressive. And the rear wing just makes, from front to rear, look just, I don't know, aggressive. I know I keep saying that, but I'm not saying it's like track oriented, because I don't really track the car. I want it to look good, mainly. Like first and foremost, I want to enjoy driving it and have it look good. And then all the other track stuff, so be it. I was informed that I'm not allowed to run this spoiler until I get new tires by the previous owner. I agree. These tires have been so bad. They've always been bad. I know I need to replace them, but stay tuned. That will come eventually, I promise. The look you can see from the front here and going up, see the spoiler back there. It's so cool. I'm so stoked. And then you can see how like the angle of the hard top, I don't know if you can really see it, but there's like a little body line right here, feeds right into where the spoiler has the little hump. So super cool. I'm so happy. I'm so happy with this. And just for reference, here's a shot of the rear. I can't stop taking video of it and photos and things like that, but really cool. I love it. And with the NA taillights, oof, looks super cool. So I'm gonna stand back and gawk for a little bit, but I'm gonna end the video here. So thank you so much guys for watching. I hope you're as excited as I am. If you're not, oh well. I don't know what to tell you. It's just, it looks so good. So if you are new to the channel, be sure you go down below, hit that subscribe button for more content like this. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up, leave your comments below, and I will see you in the next one.